became sexual harassment until it reached a breaking point where he invited me to hotel.
Stop! Jesus Christ!
And that's when she stopped responding. NPR is unable to verify those claims, given that Snapchat messages disappear after they're opened, but other women have...
You're on the wrong side of the road.
I said it was sorry, didn't I?
How can you be on the wrong side of the road?
I said sorry.
It doesn't matter if you ran into me though. What if I went in there? That I have right away there.
I know, I said...
Go on.
Water open too.
Comparable. It's Costco.
Yes. Oh,
Bloody
Christ!
hell. Yeah, he's the kind of video that causes relapse.
Yes.
The risk of symptoms getting worse. And I can treat my CIDP with 1 weekly self-injection.
Don't use if allergic to the ingredients. It can increase risk of infection and serious allergic confusion or injection-related reactions. Get help right away if you have rash, hives, swelling of the face, lips, throat, or tongue, breathing problems, low blood pressure, or fainting. Tell your doctor if you have fainting. Tell your doctor if you have infection or fever, high blood pressure, chills, or shivering.
Come on, bro. Sério, mas não podes fazer isso. Ai, anjinho de quatrinho com esta gente.
Nice.
What's happening all the time. People don't like to stay on the damn traffic. They just want to come and cut it off. Yeah, come and touch my car. Yeah. Yeah. You must be kidding. Yeah, I'm not gonna let you pass. Yeah, this is what people do all the time. What's your problem? Stop cutting people off. Yeah, I should call the police. Yeah. Freaking stupid. Oh. Yeah, Police Academy. Yeah. You're on the Dashcam.
Got the symbol on the back for the farm tractor. Knew it. I knew it. I told you that tire was going to come off.
Watch it.
I told you, man. I told you something like that was going to happen. Or he lost that, man.
What in the hell?
What's that all about?
See you on YouTube, buddy boy.
Look at that fucking mess. Only a bastard macro.
Vanuit Duitsland is
quality diamond at a lower price than any other store in America. That's the David Fairclough Diamond Guarantee.
Really?
On Central Avenue, 1 mile west of Highway 23 and the 475 loop, and online at davidfairclough.com. The new Toledo Toy Show is coming back Saturday, April 18th at the Total Sports Complex in Gloucester from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. General admission.
देखा है वो क्या था अपन क्या बच्चे सबका देखा तुमने